Renewable energy plays a key role in sustainable food manufacturing. When we think of the supply chains that we're part of, that we drive within Cargill, we're really thinking all the way from the paddock and all the way through to the end consumer at their plate. So Project Sol is an installation of a 2.58 megawatt solar array here at our Newcastle Crush facility, reducing our carbon footprint. Ultimately, it's about making a sustainable supply chain as practical.
So this is a 2.57 megawatt fixed tilt array. It consists of over 4,000 solar panels, which combined generate and match the demand of our facility at peak times.
So Cargill's customers expect from Cargill a quality product. And over more recent years, it's extended to the footprint of our manufacturing, the footprint of our supply chain. Also how it was made and the energy that was used to make that product is really key.
This is the only fully owned solar system of its size by an oilseed manufacturer in Australia.
It has been built on Cargill land, it's been built by Cargill directly as a project, is fully funded and owned by Cargill, and all the benefits from the array go straight back into the Newcastle Crush facility.
Annually, the array will reduce our electricity costs by $600,000. It keeps our manufacturing operation more competitive, and this results in a more resilient operation.
Cargill has very strong values, very strong behaviours, and in many respects can be summarised as doing the right thing by our customers, by our employees, our people, and indeed the environment.
It goes a long way to contributing to our sustainability, and it exceeds our emission reduction targets.
It makes you feel very proud. It makes you feel like you're doing the right thing. This is really fitting with Cargill's sustainability goals globally and indeed Australia, and it's a great representation of doing the right thing in the Newcastle community and for our customers.